The little turkeys are having a bit of a dust bath. Don't they make the nicest noise? Hello, sweet pea. What you up to? And their red necks are getting just a touch darker. Not much, but just a touch darker. So turning into such big turkeys. And the lovely thing is, sometimes when they sort of like shake out, hello guys, their tail feathers fan out. Does that look like tasty grass? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And I'm trying to train them to follow me from the chicken coop that they stay in overnight, and then walk over during the day to Chaos Hill. And it's like herding frogs, honestly. They've got the attention span of gnats. But they're so lovely. Aren't you? You're just lovely.